Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you. It's something a little bit different and I just kind of want to get it out there before I start. This was sent to me for free in exchange for a review, and at the moment I am getting probably 2 or 3 emails a day from companies asking me if I want to collaborate with them, whether it's sending me something for free in exchange for a review or giving me a discount or various things, and I'm quite specific as to what I will actually review. If there's something that someone sends me that I've got no interest in, I will just turn it down flat, regardless if it's free or a really good discount. For example, today I got one asking me if I wanted to get a humidifier, and I had no interest in that. Another one today was for an LED dog collar, and what else was on that email? A dog collar and I want to say some kind of Bluetooth something, but it just wasn't something that I'd be interested in, so I said no. And a jewellery subscription to this online jewellery company that do very beautiful but not my style at all rings and earrings, like kind of like rhinestoney, beautiful things, but just not for me, so I turned them down. However, when this company, Benq, I thought it was Benq, I was calling it Benq, but my other half assures me it's Benq, they contacted me and suggested that they could send me this light, which is the Wit Genie e-reading lamp. I can't show you that side of the box, it's got my address in it, but we'll unbox it in a minute. It's a really big box. You can sort of see here, it goes over your monitor, and it's touch sensitive. You can dim it, you can have it where it's warm light or cool light, and I kind of thought it would be good for me because I film in this conservatory. I will show you my desk in a second where I film, and there is no light in this room. There's no wall lights or ceiling lights, it's just fairy lights that I've got up, and I've got one tiny spot lamp. So if the lighting isn't perfect, then I really struggle to film. Like, I can't film early in the morning and I can't film sort of past 4 in the afternoon really. In the winter it's even earlier, I just can't film. And everywhere else in the house, my bedroom is in the middle of the house, so I can't film there either. So when they suggested this, that it would be good for editing and reading as a normal light would be, but it might also be okay for beauty videos, I jumped at the chance because I really want a ring light, and I just haven't been able to save to get one because of the fact that we are moving house soon. So every spare bit of money is just going towards this house move. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of unbox it and show you, but make it clear that I won't just pick anything. Now this is expensive. I think this light retails for £149, which seems a lot of money, but we're going to see how it is, because a ring light can set you back 150 quid, and if this is going to do a job of a ring light and a normal light, then we'll see how it goes. So we're just I'm gonna try and unbox this without showing you my address, which is on one side. It's such a big box, I was not expecting a box this big. They did only send this to me, I think 2 days ago or 1 day ago. It came on a lorry, and it was really well packaged. So I'm just gonna, oh wow, oh, it's got a pink lead. I'm gonna try and, oh, it's pink. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, so that is everything in the box. Put the cardboard on the floor. Okay, so I've got it out. The base is quite big. That's kind of good that it's not going to get knocked over. So the base is like this. It's quite, you can see it's quite a big white disc. Oh yeah, and that moves, so that is how you tilt. And then we've got a quick start guide. And we've got this big section here. So what's in this box? So this is the power lead. Yeah, that's the power lead, and that looks like that has got an adapter for everything you could need. It's got a UK one, an American one, a European. It's got all those in there, so that's good. The power lead is pink. I love it. I didn't know I was getting a pink one. I'm so excited. Okay, so this, oh my goodness, look. Let's get rid of this. There's nothing else in there. Let's pull this out of here. Look, so this is the light itself. There's the bulb. Oh my god, this is so cool. And I think that just, does that just go in there like that? Have I got that the right way around? Let me see. Yeah, I've got that right. Okay, and then you can tilt it. Oh, wow. Oh, you can, I think you can swizzle it as well. You can. So you can have it like, this is why I was thinking for, oh, a beauty light that I can, oh, I can do it like that as well. So I can actually face it at myself. That's so cool. Okay. And the power lead is hot pink. Right, give me 2 minutes. I'm going to attach the power lead and I'm going to put it on my desk and we're going to have a look at it. Okay, I've got it all set up on my desk. There was a couple of little screws that I had to put in. I'll just show you where I've put those. So this is it on my desk. At the back here, there was 2 little screws I had to attach to make sure this bit stayed attached to this bit, and then there was a little rubber cover, and then you just make a loop like that and you thread the cord down the back, and then that's all plugged in. And then to turn it on, you just tap the little ring like that, tap it on and off. Then if you want to turn up the brightness, you just twiddle this little knob, so you can see that gets really nice and bright. And then if you press the knob, it turns it, you can turn it to warm light, so you can see the colour shift there. So it goes from warm light to really nice cool light, and then that just goes back to dimming it on that one. So you just turn it off and we will have a look. So if I was going to film today, just zoom you in all over my face there. If I was going to film today, we'd kind of be looking at like this kind of light. So let's just turn it on. I'm going to angle it to me. So that's without and that's with. And we'll see how bright we can get it. Yeah, so I don't know if you can tell, but for me, I can really tell on the camera screen that there is brightness there. I think the true test for this for me is going to be filming in the evenings to see what it's like during, when it's not bright daylight outside, because it is only like, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon now, so it is really nice and bright. But I absolutely love it, like absolutely love it. I'm so thankful to them for sending it to me, because I have been looking at getting a ring light. But one of the other things that put me off is that ring lights, I think they take up quite a lot of space. They're quite big, and although this is quite big, but I've got a big desk, so I'm quite lucky. Ring lights don't look particularly nice, whereas this is doing a job of being a ring light for me. Turn it off now. You can see like instantly the difference in the brightness, and you can't get that just from a spotlight bulb. I've tried so many times and I just end up looking like I've just got like one bright part of my face, but that feels like that's really nice and it looks really nice. It's not painful on my eyes either. Ring lights don't look particularly nice, and I didn't want to have a ring light up and then another light as well. I think this is awesome and it looks really cool, and I like the fact that it's white and pink. I think there are other colours. I saw when they sent me the email, it looks like there's pink, blue, teal, gold and silver are the colours that I think you can get there. I absolutely love it. I'm proper over the moon with it, so thank you so much to Benq for sending it to me. We're going to come back later on when it gets a bit darker and we're going to see what it's like for filming in the evenings, but for now I think it's awesome, although it is going to show everybody all of my wrinkles. And now there's a wasp. Morning guys, it is the next morning after setting up my Benq Wit Genie reading light, and I just wanted to show you what it's like in this kind of daylight. It's 7:30 in the morning. We've all just had our breakfast, so I've got no makeup on or anything, so please excuse that, but I wanted to just show in this kind of daylight. I did show you last night what it was like from nearly darkness to turning it on and being able to film. That was just amazing. Like, that blew my mind, because the amount of nights I've wanted to film a video of doing a face mask or something, which you generally want to do in the evening, and I just physically haven't been able to do it because I've had no light. This is amazing for me. And then I did use it last night as well whilst I was editing, and I had it facing down, like just how you're supposed to, facing down onto my screen, and there was no glare. It was just magic. I absolutely love it, but I wanted to show you in this kind of light. So you can kind of see it doesn't hurt my eyes at all, which I was quite worried about. Like, that's one of the reasons I didn't want to get a ring light, because I've heard lots of people say that it does hurt your eyes having such a bright light right around the camera, but this doesn't hurt my eyes at all. I don't know if that is, that might just be something that someone have said, but that might just be a personal person's perspective on it, that it hurts their eyes, but that is what I've read. This doesn't. So I think that's really cool. And you can see it does light up the whole shot, which I just think is amazing. My whole desk is illuminated, and I've got a big desk. I'll just show you quickly. Like, I've got a big desk, and you can see, like, if I turn it off now, like, it does light up the entire area, which I just think is so cool. So yeah, it would definitely, I think it's worth the money. I was very skeptical when I got the email and it said it was £149 for a light. I was a little bit like, oh my god, is it going to be worth it? But it is, for me, 100% worth it. I think it's really, really good, and it looks so cool, and it's got a pink lead. Obviously you don't have to have a pink lead, there are different colours available. I will link everything down below for you guys. But yeah, thank you so much to Benq for sending me the light, because it's going to change my filming habits. The kids are just going cray-cray in the background because they're having their breakfast. But yeah, I think it's awesome. If you like these kind of videos, give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.